Hi friends, good evening to all. Welcome to AI with Durga Sir just in
5 minutes.
5 minutes. Wonderful. Okay, there is a small concept is pending. Okay, from prompt engineering. Even that's not pending thing. Actually, there is a person named with Jagannath. I hope requested. Sir, can you please give at least some idea about PAL, PAL prompting? Okay, this thing he requested. Just let me spend some time on that. Maybe definitely it's going to be helpful concept only for us in the next level. Remember, right? Okay. So what is that prompting, sir? Can you please spell out?
PAL.
Prompting. PAL, PAL prompting. PAL, PAL. Anyone, can you please just don't open ChatGPT, don't open Google kind of thing. What is the meaning of PAL? Yes,
program added.
Yes, Paul. Okay. Sir, here Paul prompting, let me talk. Here just very, very simple terminology, right? Most of the people are always going to ask, okay, in the chat GPT, most of the times what will happen is, give me answer for so and so. Okay, I have one problem in there. Can you please give me answer? This is about just usually our requirement. Can you please explain? Can you please give me answer? Something like we are always going to ask. If it's the mathematics kind of thing, if it's the statistics kind of thing, if anywhere calculations are required, our hand is always going for, can you please provide the answer or give me the answer? Okay, like our hand is always starts with give me answer, something like that. But very smart people are there. Very smart people are there. These people are going to ask differently. What their style is, write code and solve my problem. Have you observed? Write code and solve my problem. This type of style is by default considered, PAL prompting. Remember this one, PAL prompting. Okay, like what is the meaning? I will explain. Sir, here just observe. Instead of asking, can you please give the answer? Can you please solve, explain, or otherwise give the answer for this instead of that? So write code and solve. Write code and solve. Okay. In this scenario, what is the difference? What is the difference in the output? Very simple, sir. Very simple. If you ask AI, AI is always going to work based on it is guessing model, correct, right? It's always going to work on based on probability, prediction, guessing. This type of terminology the best is suitable for AI model, correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You respond, man. These many
Yes, sir.
examples we covered. So AI, run to run output is going to be changed. Run to run output is going to be changed. Style is going to be changed. Okay, like what the reason for that is? It's always based on what? Guessing, prediction. Okay, it's always going to work on based on probability kind of thing. That's fine. Like, but if I write a Python program, if I give some input for that Python program, 100 times you can run. Can I get the same output or not?
Yes, sir. Same output.
Yes.
Program. Okay. If I write a program, if I run 1,000 times, 1 lakh times also, it's the same. If I run that 1 lakh times also, can I get the same output or not? If the input is the same, my output is always same. Correct, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So now observe this. Among these two things, AI and program, for accurate answer, for my answer accuracy, which one you require to depend on AI model or an program? Then
Program
obviously
only.
program is always recommended. Now here, if I ask AI, can give answer for this question or for this problem, AI may guess. AI may guess. Sometimes you may get a wrong answer also. Simply AI is going to tell AI can do the mistakes. That's why you should accept, man. You should accept. But why don't you ask AI, can you please write a Python program and solve this problem like then automatically the accuracy of the solution is going to be improved. The mistakes almost reduced to zero.
But it can write the wrong program also.
Very rare. Program, very rare. Program is going to run, is going to write, and it's going to run because if it is going to write wrong program, what will happen is first the program is going to not run right.
That is syntactically maybe correct, but logically the program can be wrong.
But very rare situation. So instead of telling the answer directly, some one level security is going to be happen. One level verification is going to be happen. Why don't you think in this style, Mohan?
Okay, sir. Okay. Sir.
Okay. So there is one way. There is with the intermediate, some person is going to generate the answer means if I can add the program, then there is a possibility is there, okay, to get more accurate answer. So when compared with this one, obviously this approach is recommended. I'm not telling 100% this approach is the 100% perfect like. Getting the thing? This type of prompting is by default considered PAL prompting. Okay. Program aided language prompting. Program aided language. Program aided language. PAL prompting. Okay. This is. So get the basic idea, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what is the advantage? Sir, this one is going to be very helpful, not in normal, regular requirements, right? Very rare in the mathematics calculations, in the statistics, some here, wherever some mathematics kind of thing, calculations kind of thing, this type of thing is the best suitable. Suppose here, I want to, can you please generate motivation script? Or otherwise, can you please generate one audio song? Or can you please generate some, these type of things? Sorry, this PAL is not going to be applicable. Wherever mathematics is there.
Useful in agentic AI, no, sir?
Yes, maybe. I'm not sure. But anyway, just aware. If we are, while going through, we will come to know that. Okay, this mathematics is, suppose in the agentic AI, suppose your agent is required to perform some mathematical operations kind of thing with the prompting technique, then happily better to go for PAL. Okay. Here, can I aided language? Okay. Can I go for a small documentation kind of thing for people?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Most people are asking AI like this. Most people are asking AI like this. Okay. Give me answer. Sorry. Give me answer. Give me answer. Okay. Like, sir, here, very few people, very smart people like me. See, but smart people, but smart people, but smart people, okay, like you, but smart people like you, okay, like you ask like this, okay. This line is going to indicate what is the PAL. Okay, write code and solve, write code and solve, write code and solve. Okay, this thinking, this is called PAL prompting. This is called okay, PAL. Okay, PAL prompting. That's it. So what is the core idea you people should aware? I hope, are you getting the basic idea right? What is the meaning of this one? Yes, friends. Write code and solve. Of course, I will explain with examples, but my intention is, I don't know. So the main intention of this concept is just to get the basic idea about PAL. Okay. So in future, if it is required, then we will elaborate. But multiple examples I will discuss for you people. Don't worry at all. Just to get the idea. Okay. What is the core idea here? Okay. So PAL. PAL means, what is the meaning of that PAL? Anyone can you please tell?
Program aided.
Program aided language.
Program aided. Okay, language, program aided language prompting. Program language aided prompting. So don't ask AI directly to answer. Okay, ask AI to write a program and solve. Okay, simple meaning, sir. Here, don't, simple meaning. Here, just simple meaning I'm taking. Don't ask, okay, don't ask AI to directly answer. Don't ask AI directly answer. Ask AI to write a program, and solve. So just something like, yes, language, something like language, then we are generating the code. Just then, can you please answer? This is the model, right? Okay, like, sir, what is the problem? What is the problem in this approach? Okay, so ask direct questions. Ask direct questions. Expect instant answers. AI sometimes guesses. AI sometimes may guess. The mistakes may be a chance of happening. Mathematics, finance, next business calculations, wherever calculation is required, then automatical Paul prompting is always recommended. Remember this one, sir. So now let me go for a small example to understand this concept. Okay, a small example to understand this concept, right? Just a simple example to understand. Okay, sir, let me here what is just an idea sake. Of course, for small calculations, you may not see much difference, but big things, there may be a chance of difference, right? What is 25 into, okay, 25 into 48, 48 plus 120, plus 120. Okay, like this I'm asking, sir. 25 into 48 plus 120, plus 120. Can you please, so what about its value? What about its value? Like this is about my requirement, right? Okay, you can ask. This is the normal prompt. This is the normal prompt. Okay, like in this case, what will happen is AI may guess. AI may guess. AI may guess. Okay, like AI may guess. Now, if I can take a Paul prompt, Paul prompt, if I can take this, sir, here write a Python program, write a Python program, to calculate, okay, like this one I'm trying to take, to calculate, okay, like, sir, can you please observe that? Now, what is the advantage here is no guessing, no guessing. Sir, full logic, accurate result we are going to get. That is, so in the mathematics especially, one type of technique is a PAL. Okay, PAL prompting is recommended. Okay, just have a look once. So let me execute this. Of course, this is not a standard prompting style. Of course, I will explain for you people. Don't worry.
Sir, in Paul prompting, what's the guarantee it's going to run that specific code and it's going to answer? It may also answer it from its trained data as well, right? For
Yeah,
that
yeah. There is a, so explain step by step. We can add at the end. Getting the thing. So
Okay.
those steps are going to be considered from the program only.
So we want to add that FOH concept here.
Yes. Explain step by step, something like we can add. I will show what is the PAL, how it's going to work, what is the basic structure of prompting, like I will explain. Okay. So this is just I'm trying to take what is 25 into 48 and what about its value? Okay, 1320. It started calculator, like it invoked one tool internally. It uses chat GPT instruments, like have you observed? In the chat GPT, of course, we had this. There is no, don't expect everywhere. 1320, like we are getting. Now the same thing only. Okay, let me ask this one. Write a Python program to calculate. Write a Python program to calculate. And then at last, yard step by step, solve step by step, like you can ask. Simple Python program, result is 1320. Result is 1320, first multiplies 25, then adds 120, finally prints the result. So finally prints the result. If you want, I will show step by step version, something like it's going to tell. So in the middle, just by adding this Python program, there may be a chance more accurate result instead of answering directly. Beyond that, nothing, sir. Sir, in this case also, 100% guarantee here. Also, the Python program, if it is going to generate some wrong Python program, okay, then there is no issue. Then there may be a chance of here also guessing is going to be happen. Next and after that, if it is not going to run that Python program properly, then maybe issue like. So if you are seeing negative side, definitely there is a possibility. But positive side, when compared with directly asking, yes, sir, this one is recommended in the mathematical calculations and so on. Getting the thing?
Where and
Yes,
all we
friends.
can use, sir? Where and all we can't use this, sir?
That part I will. Wherever mathematics related kind of things are required, some calculations kind of things are required, then automatically by keeping program in the middle, more accurate results, there is a possibility.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, that's what.
Where
Now,
we should not?
yeah.
Hmm.
That part I will explain. So
Ah.
everyone in the position to understand what is the meaning of PAL prompting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's the basic idea at very top level.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
You people are silent, man.
Sir.
Yes,
Everyone
sir.
got the basic idea?
Yes.
Ah, yes,
Okay,
sir.
let me go for one more example. Any lagging in my voice or video?
Yes, sir.
A little,
In
sir.
between.
Okay.
Little.
Sir, it's only applicable where mathematical operation is there.
Exactly. Just I'm changing my network. Yeah. Can you please check now? If this one is okay?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Fine.
Or still
Better,
lagging
sir.
is there?
No, fine, sir.
No, right? Okay. Yeah. Sir, example. Just this is just an example for you people. Okay. So now here just where is more powerful? Why PAL prompting is more powerful, more accuracy, best for complex problems, step-by-step clarity. Okay. Step-by-step clarity. Okay. Like, sir, let me go for one more example, friend. Okay. So here I have the problem. Just example. I have one problem is there. What is my problem is? What's my problem is? Buy price. Okay, assume that it's a real estate domain related example. Buy price is some 30,000, some 30,000 rupees. Assume that 30,000 rupees. Sell price is some 38,000. Sell price is some 38,000 rupees. Okay, 38,000 rupees. Okay, per square yard. Okay, assume that the size is 200 square yards. 200 square yards. Okay, 200 square yards. So now here PAL prompt is PAL prompt is if I can consider, okay, write Python program to calculate total profit. Write Python program to calculate total profit. Total profit. To calculate total profit. Okay, like, sir, now here just observe that carefully. Just how it is going to respond, how it's going to work. Okay. Now here I'm trying to write a Python program. Okay, to find. Now in that program, you can see line by line what the things are going to be happen, friends. So buy price, okay, buy price 30,000. 1 minute. Yeah, am I missing anything? Buy price 30,000, 38,000. Next 30,000 per square yard. Here I missed something. Per square yard. Okay. Here also sell price is 38,000 per square yard. Okay. Sir, here 200 square yards. Write a Python program to calculate total, okay, profit like. Now observe carefully. Here is the correct Python program. Buy price per square yard 30,000. Sell price per square yard 38,000. Size is 200 in square yards. Total buy, it's a value. Total sell, it's a value. Profit is equal total sell minus total buy. Total profit is the profit. Okay, total profit is, sir, what is about 1,60,000 rupees is the total profit. Simple understanding. Simple understanding. Yes, buy, its value is 60 lakhs. Okay, 16 lakhs is the profit. Okay, like, sir, buy, its value is the 60 lakhs is the buying price. Selling price is 76 lakhs. Now the profit is 16 lakhs, like it's going to be. Okay. In the middle, adding the program so that there may be a chance more accurate results we can expect. That is the concept of PAL prompting. Remember. Yes, friends, are you getting idea right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
So
So
next,
basically, this is for accuracy, right? So we'll get
exactly,
that.
exactly.
But
Pure,
we can
pure
also
mathematics, pure mathematics kind of thing. Next, pure mathematics kind of thing. Next, wherever calculations are required, there adding Python program is one style. Okay. Instead of this, we covered, right, chain of thoughts. Have you remembered, right? Step by step. Can you please show? That is one style. This is another
Manual,
style.
auto.
Manual auto. Like this is another style.
So in general, so we are not allowing to guess. We are asking them to use the logical step by step.
Exactly.
So programming will use logic only. So we are using only for max.
Yes. Mathematics especially. Okay. So this point I will clarify so that you people can feel more comfortable. Where to use Paul? Where to use Paul? Okay. Where to use Paul? Sir, calculations. Next and after that, finance related, real estate. Of course, I explained an example, right? So real estate. Next, data analysis. Next, business planning kind of thing. So next, automation. In the automation also it's going to be. Sir, here simple. Wherever calculations are required. Wherever mass is there, or wherever calculations are required, okay, calculations are required, there we can use PAL. PAL prompting, PAL prompting. That's it. Okay. Next, where not to use. Okay. Simple, sir. So stories, can I use any use of Python program to explain stories in the middle? Respond.
No,
Is there any use of
No, sir.
okay, Python program to explain stories in the middle?
Mhm.
Wherever motivation is required, wherever marketing content is required. So if no mass, if no calculations, no mass or calculations, then not required to use, not recommended to use, Paul prompting. That's it. Okay. This is what you people should aware. Okay. Just what is the structure of the Paul prompting? Paul prompting structure. Okay. Just I used already this one. Okay. I used already this one. Just a basic. Just this is the way. Write Python program. Write a Python program.
Any program, sir.
Just generally Python. Okay. Two. Yes. Anything you can use. Next, and then your problem. Write a Python program. Okay. To your problem. Okay. To find calculate, to find profit, to find average. Okay. Something like write a Python program to whatever the problem you can specify here. Our problem. Okay. This is the basic. So next, advanced. Advanced means nothing. Okay. Advanced means nothing, sir. So the same thing only. Write a Python program. Write a Python program to solve the following problem. Okay. Here you can specify your details. What is the problem? Next, show. This is the very important. Show step by step output. Show step by step output. Okay. In the COT, we are going to tell reasoning steps. Okay. In the COT, we are telling reasoning steps. Why this one is the recommended, why this one is you are choosing. Can you please explain reasoning steps? But here, mathematics, in the middle, just I'm adding one program related step by step. Can you please show? So that more accurate result by default we are going to get. Getting the point? I respond.
Sir.
Basic idea. You people got what is the PAL prompting? Jagannath, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, for you, you only raise
Yes,
this point, this concept.
Yes.
Yeah. Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is the
Yes.
meaning?
Very much helpful.
Yeah,
Very
what is
much
the meaning?
helpful for problem solving.
Yeah. So this is this type of thing. Wherever mathematics is there, statistics is there, happily we can use this type of thing, right? Okay, like so normal AI thinking in words, okay, Paul AI thinking in logic. Thinking in logic, okay, like so now just let me go for a simple example, okay, multiple 1 or 2 examples I will explain for you people so that you can get much clarity. Okay, let me go for one more example. Okay, here my requirement is just observe this one or 2 examples I will explain so you may get much clarity about this. So I hope up to this everyone got the basic idea.
Yes, sir.
Okay, here I'm taking just an example. What is the problem? What is the problem is loan amount. Loan is 10 lakhs rupees, right? Okay, 10 lakhs I'm taking. 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs is my loan. Assume that, sir. Okay, 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs is my loan. Okay. Now here I'm taking interest 10% yearly. 10% yearly. Mostly what it means is 10%, maybe 80 paisa or 90 paisa, something like that. So time is 3 years. Time is 3 years. 3 years. So now what is EMI? What is EMI? Okay, like I'm asking. Sir, here, do you know how it is going to find? How it is going to find? We don't know. Just a bit complex formula. Can you please find EMI? What is EMI like? Let me check this one. How it is going to respond? What is the answer we are going to get? Here is legend. Just have a look once, friends. Working, let's calculate EMI step by step. Yes. Wonderful. Okay. Wonderful. Here it is telling. Yes. Have you observed, right? It's so there is no guarantee because this one is already habitizer. Can you explain step by step like so that's why my ChatGPT is in a position to remember my history, my style. That's why it's providing EMI formula. It is telling something like EMI formula like 36 months and so on. What is your EMI, sir? 32,260 per month approximately. Okay, 32,000, sir, 260 per month approximately like. Sir, total payment you are going to pay 11.6 lakhs. In that 1.6 lakhs is the interest. Okay, like it is telling. Now, if you want, I can also provide Python program, Excel formula, profit or loan comparison, something like it's asking. Something like it's asking. Okay, like what I will do is just Pal prompt. Let me write. Let me write a Pal prompt, right? Okay, Pal prompt. Okay. Sir, here this is the basic prompt of what I took. This is the normal prompt of what I took. Pal prompt. Write a Python program. Write a Python program to calculate EMI. To calculate EMI. Okay. For a loan of okay 10 lakhs. For a loan of 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs for a loan of 10 lakhs with the 10% annual with the 10% annual interest with the 10% annual interest for 3 years. For 3 years. Okay, like sir, just I'm trying to ask. Okay, now let me write this one. Write a Python program to calculate EMI for a loan with the interest 10% annual interest for 3 years. For 3 years like. Now, let me go for another chat window. Why this red color? Who can? Yes, here just observe that. EMI formula P into R into 1 ... and so on. Okay. Here just observe this. Are you seeing, right? Friends, are you seeing the code?
Yes, sir.
Principal amount,
Yes.
annual rate, years. Next, convert annual rate to monthly rate. Next, total number of months, years into like MI calculation, like what is the output we are getting? 32,267. Earlier, what is the answer we got? Is it the same?
No, different.
Earlier, what is the answer we got? Can you please observe that? What is the answer? 32,260 we got. But now what is the answer we are getting? 32,267 we are getting. What a wonderful.
More accurate.
Yes, friends.
More accurate answer.
Are you seeing the difference?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Office
So,
7 is very much
by adding the Python program in the middle, then automatically step by step it's going to be calculated, right? Same formula only, but there is a chance to guess something. But here we are not giving the chance to guess because it is the program, right? No manual mistake, perfect for financial kind of thing. Remember that. Okay. Next, if I can take one more example, or otherwise let me go for. Okay. Let me go for one more example, right? Okay, this is the business related example, so that you will get much clarity, at least. Yeah, this is the Paul prompt. Next example, I'm taking, sir. Here, a business monthly revenue. Okay, business monthly revenue. Business monthly revenue, like I'm taking. Sir, here assume you earn. Okay, problem is you earn. Okay, John 1 lakh. 1 lakh. Okay, John 1 lakh. Next, and after that, Peb. John 1 lakh, Peb 1.2 lakh. 1.2 lakh. Next, March. Okay, March 1.5 lakh. March 1.5 lakh. 5 lakh. Okay. So now, what is the normal prompt? What I'm trying to take? Normal prompt. Normal prompt I'm taking. What is the total and the average revenue? Okay, like I'm taking just a simple idea sake I'm taking, right? So this is about normal prompt I'm taking. Okay, so here the thing is what is the total and the average revenue, like I'm asking. Okay, now just let me execute this prompt. Or otherwise, let me take the new chart window. What is the total and the average revenue? Okay, given 1 lakh, 1,20,000, 1 lakh total revenue, 3,70,000 rupees. Average revenue 1,23,333. Here, okay, so there is no scalability kind of thing. Here, how many values we provided? Respond. How many values we provided? Only 3 values. 3 values, right? But if it is a program kind of thing, then there may be a chance of scalability. Like, so because logic is the same, even tomorrow 10,000 values also there. Assume that. Tomorrow, if 10,000 values are there, AI may guess something somewhere. Definitely there may be a problem. Because big calculations, friends. I have personal experience with the ChatGPT. What I did is, there is some calculation. I spend some time with the ChatGPT. ChatGPT, can you compound interest kind of thing? Can you please do this and so on? I am asking, keep on doing the mistakes. In the old version especially. Then some 5 version, 5.5.2 or 5 version came, then automatically that is the specializer for complex mathematical calculations. Whenever I asked, so complex mathematical calculations, your quota got completed. Can you please try tomorrow for complex calculations like this is the thing what I got. Response. Anyone have experienced this type of thing in the ChatGPT? Especially, mathematics. Mathematics kind of thing. Your quota got completed. Tomorrow, can you please try at so and so time, or 8 hours or 6 hours at so and so time? This mathematics, complex mathematics kind of thing you can do like. Okay, this is so AI somewhere it may guess. Okay, and there is no guarantee to provide 100% accurate results. Suppose here just observe that compounding. I want to do that. Starts from 1 rupee. Starts from 1 rupee. 1 rupee. I want to compound 50 times. Can you please provide a tabular form, something like if I ask that normal, definitely big calculation, right? Definitely somewhere AI may fail. Remember this one. But if I can bring a Python program or Java program, a program in the middle, what it has to do?
Not fail.
Logically,
Keep on
it
keep.
need to do.
Logic is there. Logic is there. Okay. It has to follow that logic. Then automatically there is no chance of fail. We are not, we are depending on the logic. We are not depending on the guess. Are you getting the difference, right? With a big calculation kind of thing. Just definitely, just in the last example only we saw the difference, right?
Yes.
Okay, there is. So for small, 2 values, 3 values, you may not. But tomorrow, if 10,000 values are there, then definitely it's going to rise somewhere the problem. So ChatGPT, so if it is guessing model, somewhere it's going to get the confusion, or it may guess something. There is no accurate result. I faced this problem personally, friend. Then I feel that for big values, big calculations kind of thing, AI model is not suitable like. But later versions, maybe ChatGPT 5 version, 5.2 model like later versions, there is a big improvement is there in that particular area. I tried to use calculations for something in the ChatGPT only. I faced this problem. That's why I can tell. Okay, like sir, here if it is the Pal prompt, the thing here is just the same thing only. Okay, this is the normal prompt. If I ask Pal prompt, write a Python program. Write a Python program to calculate total and average revenue. Total and average revenue for monthly incomes. Okay, like I'm trying to take 1 lakh, next and after that 1,20,000, 1,20,000, 1,50,000, 1,50,000, something like I asked. Same thing only. Okay, here see this. What is the output by default we are going to get? Same. Let me take a new chat window. Now a Python program is going to take, then automatically here revenues, total revenue, sum of. Okay, like sir, earlier what is the value we got? Anyone remembered? What is the value we got?
1323, I think so, sir. See, similar only that dot 333 was not.
1,23,333 approximated. Correct, right? Approximated. But now what is the answer we are getting now?
Dot 3333 something.
Why?
More accurate.
Why this one? Because
Program.
this is the program. No guessing kind of thing. It is based on the logic. I hope are you in the position to understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So Mohan, I hope your doubt got clarified. Okay, now you are saying practically.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, there is let me go for another example. Okay. Suppose here if I can take, yeah, sorry. A student, yeah, another example, student ranking system. Student ranking system, if I can take. So now I'm asking marks, assume marks are Rahul. Okay, Rahul as Rahul got 85 marks. Assume that Rahul got 85 marks. Okay, next Asha and Aravind. Oh, our names only. Asha got because these names are every day I'm spell out these names. Okay, in my life
That's
skills batch. Okay, these names. Okay, find the topper. Okay, find the topper like. Yes, here normal prompt. Who is the topper? Normal prompt. This is find a topper like. You can ask. Okay, like. But here easily my ChatGPT can tell the topper is who is the person.
Aravind.
Array, who is the person? Topper. Topper is
Arvind.
Array, why you?
Arvind.
Arvind is the topper. How many here? Just because I use the same chart window I'm taking. Yeah. Here just observe. There is one small point I require to highlight here. Okay. There is one small point I require to highlight here. Okay. It is keep on because I use it right. That's why it's asking. So here topper is Arvind with 90 marks. Perfect. Sir, here Python program. Python program. Now observe this. What is this concept in Python? Anyone?
Dictionary.
What is this
Dictionary,
concept
sir.
in Python?
Dictionary
Dictionary. Then automatically, what is this one? Max is a method. Okay, function, marks, comma, get, like a topper is the topper. Now my question is, here observe, this is the, Paul prompting kind of thing. But here the point here is, what's my point here? Here, how many students I'm asking about the topper?
Three, only
Three.
three.
Only 3 students.
Three.
Only 3 students here. Suppose tomorrow 10,000 students are there. 1 lakh students are there. 10 lakh students are there. Can you please tell the topper? If you ask AI directly, anyone can you please give 100% guarantee AI is going to tell correct answer?
No, sir.
Wrong answer.
But if
No,
I add
sir.
Python program, when compared with earlier, a bit confidently you can tell, yes, the topper is so and so.
Yeah, yes, sir. By using the Python program, we will get the
In the
100%
middle.
accuracy.
Yes, Venkatesh. In the middle, we are adding a Python program, then automatically 100% pakka. Yes, there is a possibility there. There is a possibility. We saw 2 examples already. So here, the basic prompt in the mathematics, not scalable. Remember this one, not scalable for 3 students, 5 students, 10 students, 20 students, acceptable. Tomorrow, 1 lakh students are there, or 10 lakh students are there. AI is going to be silent. Okay, may guess because it's always depends on the based on guess model, right? It's going to tell, some Shiva got top mark, but there is no guarantee that really Shiva got top. But if I add a Python program in the middle, then definitely 1 crore students also, definitely my Python program is going to tell this person is the topper. Depending on logic, depending on guess. Observe the difference. Is that clear, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's what this one is scalable. Scalability is the more. That's what that word I want to highlight for you people. Okay. So this is the same example for the prompt. Okay. This is the normal Paul prompt. Okay. Like write a Python program to find the student with the highest marks from a dictionary. Write a Python program. Okay. To find the students, student with the highest marks from a dictionary or something like you are not required to write that much programming level. You are not required to write that. Okay, that's all. Topper is so works for 1 lakh students, 10 lakh students also. There is no problem at all. Okay, because the code is going to work. That is what scalability, very powerful. Okay, here general prompt.
Here we are going to input all the values at a time or one by one.
That depends on our prompting. That depends. Okay, if I provide in the dictionary form, then all the values at a time, or otherwise you can. Okay, general prompt. Okay, is not scalable. Whereas Pal prompt is scalable. What is the meaning of scalable? I hope you can understand my point. Correct, right? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Here just observe my next example. Okay. My next example is a bit, okay, you may see the difference. Investment growth, compounding, sir. Investment growth, compounding. Okay. What is the problem is 2 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees, 15% returns, 15% returns. Okay. 10 years duration, 10 years duration, 15% per year. Okay. Like, so now to find, to calculate compound growth of 2 lakh, 10 years. Okay. So what is the final amount? What is the final amount? Now observe very carefully, friends. What is the final amount? Like this I'm asking. So after 10 years, with the 15% returns every year, your 2 lakhs will become what? Okay, your 2 lakhs will become what? Okay, like now I'm asking, just to see this. This is the best example to understand. But here it's always using the Python program, right? Because it's already. What is the final amount? Working to calculate final amount, we use compound interest formula. A is equal to P into 1 plus 2 lakhs 15. Okay, like a final amount is, so what is about its value? Can you please confirm? Respond,
8
friends.
lakhs
8
10,000.
8 lakhs, 10,000, 8.1 lakh. Okay, approximately like. So you invested 2 lakhs in 10 years, it becomes more than 4 times because of compounding. Okay, like because of compounding, it will become more. Okay, like now here just observe that the same thing only. Okay, with Python program I want to take. Python program I will take. Sir, Pal prompt. Now see this Pal prompt. Write a Python program. Write a Python program to calculate compound growth of 2 lakh of 2 lakh at a 15% returns, 15% for 10 years. 15% for 10 years. 10 years. Okay, like I'm asking, this is my prompt. Okay. Now just anyone, can you please remember this value? What about its value? 8 lakhs?
10,000.
10,000 approximately. Okay. Now see this one. The same thing only. Yeah. Sir, here Python program it is taking. Python program it is taking. Okay. What about its value? Final
8
amount.
lakhs 9,000.
8 lakhs 9,000 odd. Okay. So here I can add, I can add something like, can you explain step by step? Something like, if you want, we can add that also. Okay, like, sir, here 8 lakhs 9,000. Now, where is the difference? Earlier one it is telling 8 lakhs 10,000, but now this one is telling 8 lakhs 9,000 only. Correct, right?
Yes.
Respond. There is a difference there in the output or not?
Yes, 1,000 rupees.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Suppose assume that, okay, not a 10 years, man. 30 years. 30 years. Assume that. 30 years. Okay. Normal prompt. Normal prompt, I'm asking. Okay, maybe here the formula it is involving, right? 30 years. Then automatically its value will become. What about its value after 30 years?
1 crore 32 lakhs 42,000.
1 crore 32 lakhs 42,000. Friends, one simple point you people should aware. Just if you invest 2 lakhs, just how much value?
2 lakhs.
After 30 years, it will become what?
1 crore
1 crore 32 lakhs,
32
something like
lakhs.
1 crore 32 lakhs, something like. Remember this. Compounding is the magic formula, friends. Magic formula. Albert Einstein is using one word about compounding. It is the eighth wonder of the world. Remember this one. Okay. So compounding means at the beginning, it is telling very small growth, but while going unimaginary, unexpected growth you people are going to get. Remember this compounding. That's why. So with how much speed we are going is not that much important. How much consistently, how long we are going to be on the race, that matters a lot. Remember carefully. Okay. Array, today, how much you are investing? Not important. How much time you are continuing? That thing matters a lot. Speed is not important. Stability is more important. Okay. With the speed, you can travel very small distance. But with the stability, you can travel long. Remember carefully. So how much time you are in the race, that thing matters a lot. Compounding, the most valuable thing. Okay. So 1 rupee will become 2 rupees. 1 rupee, 2 rupees, what there. But the same formula is applicable after 30 years. 1 crore 32 lakhs. Next 31st year only, do you know how much difference is going to be happen? Unimaginary results you are going to expect, friends. Okay. Here, just observe. Is it visible for you people? Can you please have it once? Is it visible for you people?
Yes.
Okay. So just your 2 lakhs. After 30 years, what about its value? Can you please remember? Can you please tell what about its value? 1 crore?
32 lakh 42,000.
1 crore 32 lakhs 42,000. Just write on the paper, anyone. Okay. After 31 years. After 31 years, because context it is going to remember, right? Okay. So after 31 years, what about its value? Do you know? Can you please have a look once? What about its value?
1 crore 52 lakhs.
1 crore 52 lakhs. Just in 1 year, for your 2 lakhs investment, if you can wait for 30 years, then in the 31st year, how much difference when compared with the previous under this?
20 lakhs.
20 lakhs.
How much?
Around
20
20 lakhs.
Around 20 lakhs difference is there. Just for your 2 lakhs in 1 year, it will become. Suppose after 32 years. After 32 years. Can you please have a look once? What about its value is? Can you please observe what is its value?
75 lakhs.
1
So
crore
23
75 lakhs. Just in 1 year, how much difference?
Extra
25
23
lakhs,
lakhs.
25 lakhs, 23 lakhs around in 2 years. In the 30, from 30 years to 32 years, how much difference?
Almost 45 lakhs.
Can you please imagine, man? Can you please imagine how much you invested?
2 lakhs.
Observe that. Suppose if I move after 33 years, you can't imagine at the end how unimaginary results you are going to get, friends. What about its value is 2 crores, man. 2 crores. Array, until 30 years, how much you got?
1.32.
1 crore 32.
1 crore 30 lakhs or 32 lakhs. But
32 lakhs.
just in 3 years, how much you got?
Double.
Nearly
Almost 2 crores.
70 lakhs.
Approximately double.
Extra
70 lakhs. Just if I ask another 2 years. Okay. Another 2 years. Please
4 crore.
explain for another 5 years. 5 years table wise. Okay. Now if I ask this one. Now observe this. Okay. What about its value? Sir, 33 years. What about the value? 2 crore? 2 crore. 2 crore assume. Just 38th year, its value will become how much value?
4.
Respond. How much value? 4
4.5
crores.
crores.
38 years, 4 crores. Just your 2 lakhs will become. How much interest? 15% is the very normal interest. 1 rupee, 10 paisa, 1 rupee, 20 paisa. Compounding. There is a big benefit is there, friends. It's a magic. In the last sessions also, somewhere I explained about compounding.
Yes,
Have you
sir.
remembered? Okay, somewhere
Yes, yes.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Branches.
if you are going to invest at least 1 rupee daily, lifetime 1 lakh crores you are going to get. I challenged that. Have you remembered?
Yes, sir.
Challenge.
Just if you start, then not at least 1 rupee you invest. Every day at least 1 rupee. Believe me, at your end, you are going to have 1 lakh crores. Believe me, at least 1 rupee. But only thing I'm expecting from you, every day consistent. If you can do that, थोड़ा confidence आ गया?
Paul
Yes, sir.
prompt is given.
Huh?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
luckily Paul prompting anyway, compounding example is there,
Yes, sir.
luckily.
Yes,
Okay,
yes, sir.
थोड़ा confidence आ गया? Confidence
Yes,
means,
sir.
I mean, so
Yeah,
you are going to get 1 lakh crores, definitely. But only thing is you require to do is every day at least
1 rupees.
1
1
rupee.
rupee
1 rupee.
save. At least 1 rupee save. After
Last
1 month or after 2 months, convert this saved amount into investment. Because money has to generate money. Then immediately don't ask me the next questions. Okay, sir, what is the
Last
best
5 years.
investment? Gold, all these things, don't worry. Don't
Last
ask me any kind of thing, just I'm telling.
last 5 years investment, it's negative right now.
Negative. So I told right. Who is telling this question?
Manjunath.
Uh,
Yes. Just
Manjunath.
I'm saying right now is the best to
Manjunath.
invest.
Yeah. This is the best
Yes.
time to invest. But I'm telling,
Yes.
in the investment, you never going to think about just for 2 years, for 1 year, for 3 years, for 4 years like that. Think about
30
10
years.
10
years,
years,
20
15
years,
years,
30
20
years.
years, 30 years, 50 years, 40 years like that. That kind of thing must be required, friends. Okay, short term. Okay, just going to the gym first day and then coming back in front of the mirror standing, how much muscle got raised, such type of instant results, you should not expect in investment. Okay, sir, yesterday I took the gold, sir. Today 300 difference per gram, sir. Nonsense. Why you are comparing in 1 day? Compare 30 years. Sir, yesterday I took 1 share, sir. Today got crashed like anything, sir. So I'm getting fear to open the dashboard and to see my returns, sir. Like, who told you to see? Don't see. For the until war completed, until next 3 to 6 months. Long term, that thing matters a lot. Consistency, small steps, long term. Biggest results, friends, financially, especially. So 35, okay, from 30 years, 1 crore 23 lakhs will become just in the 8 years. If you can see 4 crores. If you run another 2 years, 3 years, then automatically it may go for just another few years, 8 crores, 10 crores also. Just the 15% returns. There is a common return. That's why highly recommended, friends. If you want to earn 1 lakh crores,
Yes.
what you require to do?
1 lakh
1 rupee at least you need.
At least 1 rupee you
Need
require
to
to
invest.
save. And then investment convert. Okay. Anyway, come back to our Paul prompting. Ayyo.
Good, sir.
Okay.
Good.
Yes, friend?
Yes.
Okay. Write a Python program to calculate compound growth of 2 lakh at 15% for 10 years. Okay. Just I'm taking for 38 years. Okay. Because I wrote, write a Python program for 38 years. Here, what is the value we got? 4.05 crore.
4.05.
Correct, right? You respond. 4.05
Yes, sir.
crore. Okay. Let me take in. The same thing, Paul prompting I'm taking. What about its value? I'm not sure. Okay, my Python program. Here is the simple Python program to calculate. Principal, rate, time. So principal into 1 plus rate, power, time, output, final amount. So 40 for 40 lakhs becomes around 53 crores because of long-term compounding. Okay, because of long-term compounding. So explain just 1 minute. Let me explain step by step. Just that line also I added now. Initial amount, principal, okay, rate 15% time, 38 years, compound formula, final result, number of years. Clearly, it's going to provide. Step by step, it's going to calculate final multiplication. So final amount will be, what is the value? 4 crore, 2 lakhs, 28,140. Okay. The final answer, 4 crore, 2 lakhs, 28,140. 4.02 crore. Is it the same thing, right? We got?
No.
Sir,
No, na?
4.05.
Oh.
4.05.
4.05. So,
3 lakh difference.
which one is the more accurate? Yes, here it is going to tell including rupees also. Just I added only one line. Explain step by step. Explain step by step. Now, from the Python program, it's going to do that. Okay, that's all. This is what PAL prompting. Jagannath, are you happy? Now, so
Yes, sir,
forget
yes.
about where we are going to use, but what is PAL prompting? That's what you should aware. Okay, that's it, friends. Next, there are some small videos, multimodal prompting. Small 1 or 2 videos I created. Just I'm showing for you people. Just have a look once. Maybe you saw.
Sir, one question.
Yes, friend.
This is related to the in the example we are used only Python. Can we use the other
Any program, any programming language.
Sir, if we add step by step at the end in PAL prompting itself, it will be more accurate, correct?
Correct. Because from the program only, the steps are going to be considered.
Steps. Okay.
That's why I told right at the beginning only, advanced prompting, solve step by step. Okay, those steps will be considered from the program. Program is always based on logic. Logic.
Okay, logic. Okay.
Logic based. Logic based means no chance of wrong. But normal guess means there may be a chance of that's
so
what
we are breaking into small to avoid to make them to think clear, correct?
Yes, exactly. So I'm depending on I'm believing on engineer who is always working based on the logic. I'm not depending on the guesser.
Okay, sir.
Observe the word. AI is a guessing based model. Program is a logic based model.
Logic.
That is the difference.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Just there are some small things I'm showing for you people. Okay, how I am using this AI knowledge. Okay, maybe tomorrow in the big way we are going to use. Okay, here 1 minute. Life skills or otherwise Durga software. Okay, just I'm taking shots. These are the shots what I did today. Have a look once. So this one is can you please observe that? How beautiful it is, friends. Can you imagine? Is it a single video or multiple videos? Multiple videos. Okay, so this is what we call the transformation time lapse kind of thing. Okay, like there is one in the chat GPT, there is one GPT I used. Just can you please take what is this one? What is the top? I'm pointing some restoration time lapse. Okay, by using that I generated. Okay, next there is another thing also. Have a look once. This is also. Yeah, friends, how beautiful it is. Yes? Are you seeing, right?
Yes,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, our ambassador.
No.
Are you doing everything alone? Trying to learn everything, do everything, manage everything, but still not getting results? You are working hard every day, watching videos, learning skills, but still feeling stuck, confused, and slow. Maybe the problem is not how to do. You are asking the wrong question. Start asking, who can do it for you? This is the power of who, not how. When you focus on who, your growth becomes fast, your stress becomes less, and your results become powerful. DURGA Sir's pre-recorded videos on who, not how, to succeed in your life. Link is in the description. Check now. For more details, call now. +91 99 27 37 27 37. I repeat, call now. +91 99 27 37 27 37. Or mail us, DURGASOFTonline@gmail.com. Start today. Your success begins now. Are you doing everything alone?
Yes, friend.
Very nice, sir.
This is actually not video. Remember that. This is actually not video. This is avatar. Avatar. I used the image with the voice over I kept. Then automatically this is the avatar. Avatar image I took my lady. Of course, the name of that lady is Anu. Then my admin came, sir, Anu is good, but very thin like, can you please just a bit bubbly face, this kind of thing is required, sir. Sir, very thin like, just like a very small kid like, my admin told, it's a matter of one line in the prompt. one line in the prompt. Okay, have a look once. The next video I shared, it's too good, sir. Like he responded. Okay, so here see this one. Array, yay, we can do the magics. Now
Are
observe.
you trying to change your life, but again and again falling back into the same old habits? You start with motivation, but after few days, everything stops. You plan big goals, but daily actions are missing. This is the problem most people are facing today. It is not lack of talent. It is not lack of knowledge. It is lack of right habits. Small bad habits slowly destroy your future. But small good habits can completely transform your life. This is exactly what Atomic Habits teaches. In my video course, I will show you simple and practical methods how to build powerful habits step by step, how to break bad habits easily, and how to stay consistent without stress. If you change your habits, you can change your entire life. If you want complete details, subscribe to DURGA Sir videos now. Check the link in the description and join today. Call us 9927 372737. I repeat, 9927 372737. Or mail us durgasoftonline@gmail.com. Start today. Your better life begins now. Are you trying to change your life?
Wonderful, right?
Sir, avatar
Yes, sir.
means that is also an
Yes.
image only, na? You create
Image, only
Ah.
image. Image, it is not video. Image and voice over, just converted into the video. It is the avatar to video, image to video conversion.
Oh, image to video conversion. Okay,
Exactly.
okay. Uh-huh.
Okay,
So this
I
also
provide.
you use it a flow or
No, flow is this clarity won't be there. Plus voice missing something like
sync
so
will
that's
not
why
be perfect.
sync won't be perfect. Like Hagen, like one AI tool is there.
You
Hagen.
showed that
Yes, Hagen.
action sync.
Not action sync. Hagen, like there is one AI tool is there. By using that, we can generate the audio and from this image, okay, that audio, how she is going to tell, like we can create the video by using Hagen. Of course, if the time permits, somewhere I will explain the way.
So generally we are creating image. Okay. Then from image we are creating video.
Yes.
Correct, sir. Okay. So in avatar means you are here. There also you are inputting image.
Image only. But instead of my image, tomorrow I may not available for this session. What I will do is I will create. I will keep my image and my script I will keep. Then my avatar is going to take the session.
Okay. Okay. So only image. Same only, na sir. Here also you are using image to create video. Here also you are using.
In the Gemini flow, what problem we are facing is the problem is length is 8 seconds. One problem. The second problem is voice, what we call sync. There is a small issue we are going to face.
Lip sync issue.
Lip sync. Like there is a issue we are going to face. Next, I did the same thing by using flow. Then 9737992737, like that number, how it is spell out is, is it telling phone number, like you may get the doubt. Okay. Next, DURGASOFTonline@gmail.com. Then DURGASOFT, like stopped. That's it. In the middle only. Okay. That problem we can solve by using this, what we call avatars. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, sir.
That's it. So have you observed, right? My admin told that, sir, very thin. Anu is very thin. Can you please, bubbly face must be bubbly face must be required. Like, sir, if it is a really physical lady, then we may not ask. But yeah, right, whatever you can ask. Do you want to change the dress color, something like? Yes, happily we can do. Just a matter of one line in the prompt. That is the power of prompting. That is the power of AI tools. Remember that. Okay. Throughout life, this AI is going to change your way of doing the things.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So what's the tool name for that avatar?
Avatar creation, Hagen, like HEYGEN. Okay. Hagen.
Is it free, sir?
That day you showed Higgs field, correct?
Higgs field is the different, Hagen is the different.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. This
is it free, sir? That
no. Maybe up to certain level it's a free. Okay. Here
which we can create avatar.
You can see. Then you can keep your image only, and then you can clone your audio, and then you are going to talk like anything you can take, because these days there are multiple in the internet. There are multiple avatar related videos only. The people are always feeling that it's a real video, like yeah. Okay, that's all. This is what you people should aware, friends. Okay, so successfully 49th session, I hope today.
Yes.
Completed. One more session I may take, and then agentic AI. But the new problem we are seeing. Okay.